Dear friends, there's nothing we can't do. Guess what this 8 grippers device does? What we are seeing now is a back-fending beam saw customized for foreign customers. Let's see what's the difference. First of all, we saw an 8 grippers loading. If your panel is afraid of being scrapped, then this is a very important function. The foreigner also takes a fancy, so we specially designed this equipment. First, through the grip, suck it up. Prevent the panel from scratching. Positioning after grasping the panel. After positioning, just push it forward slowly. In fact, at this time, we have set the value. Whether you want 600 wide, 500 wide or all sizes, just enter it. We can finish it. And very fast. Let's take a look at this. The panel has been sent over. After we send over, let's take a look at the panel began to rise upwards. Then our 8 claw hands grab the panel. Grab it and don't rub it. Grab it directly to the positioning area, where we backload device. Put it down. This is the difference from ordinary backloading device, because we usually push this panel first. After coming back, when you push this panel over again, there will be friction. By setting, there is no friction. This efficiency has no impact at all. If your panel is afraid of scrap the production capacity, then this is the best solution on this machine.